talk about one of the industry bigwigs that's in DeFi, Paxos. Paxos is a bank that made the first US federally regulated stablecoin. They made a coin that is always equal to $1 and is backed up by real dollars in a bank. Paxos is an easy way for institutions like banks and governments to turn their paper currencies into digital currencies and let them use their money to their fuller potential. It lets all of these massive industry players very easily tap into DeFi. And that's a really big deal. For a lot of these banks and financial institutions and government, the hardest part of getting into DeFi and cryptocurrency is just how to use it. Paxos gives them such an easy and familiar way to connect to DeFi that they're really going to be a big, massive onboarding mechanism. They're going to be a big bridge to this next level of finance for the old world of money. They even recently helped Binance build their own custom stablecoin, the BUSD.
Going inside the Bitcoin machine. All I want is a crib. I ain't never had this in my life. I got kids, so I gotta make something out of